would like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Lenox Satchel in Pebble leather. The color here, it's probably like more of a baby blue. It does come with the silver hardware, as you could see here. You could see a Coach logo on the front, a leather hand tag on one side, and it does have some interesting stitches to give it some design purposes. And you could see the side here. You could actually, I'm curious, this is, well, it's really hard to remove, but technically you can remove the button on the both sides just to give it to become a different bag. This is the bag, the other side. And then the nice thing about this, it does come with the 4 feet for this bag. And let's take a look on the inside, shall we? Let's see, I did quite a number of paper in here just to keep it in a nice shape. Oh, maybe a little bit more. And this bag does come with the strap for crossbody wear. On the inside here is this big linen lining. Has two slip pocket on one side and a zipping pocket on the other side. And let's zip it up. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. And yes, you can technically put 1, 2, 3, or I believe max of 4 water bottles in there. The dimension of this bag is about 16 1/4 inches in length. It's about 9 3/4 inches in height, and about 4 3/4 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.